Just checking my audio and just looking to see if things are fine and good to go. Just a second. Just checking my audio. Yes, I think we are fine and good to go. So, good evening everyone and welcome to the post-market analysis of Nifty, Bank Nifty as well as Sensex on the 3rd of December by Finance with AB. I know I am a bit late today, almost 1 to 2 minutes delay. My software got me in trouble. There was a small technical issue, so because of which I couldn't join by around 8:29, whatever it be. But see, what a disappointing day in the market. That's the perhaps in one line. If I have to summarize the market, I'll have to say this was really a disappointing market because what we expected, at least I expected, yesterday Nifty did have some sort of a bad day. Yes, it was expiry. See, yesterday was expiry, and tomorrow we have Sensex expiry also. But I expected because Nifty closed, at least managed to close above 26,000 yesterday. The closing yesterday was somewhere here, right? Yes, so this was the closing above 26,000 itself. So I expected at least Nifty could be able to hold 26,000 today, but that did not happen. Nifty fell all the way down to 25,900 and took support exactly at 25,900 to 890 range, and from there it was just purely consolidation. A market dominated only by option writers mainly. Option buyers would have definitely made losses today. Option sellers would have made profits because this was kind of an easy market. Market was not going anywhere throughout the day. It just consolidated within hardly 50-60 points for the majority of the time. Towards the end of the day, we saw some sort of a recovery. We saw Nifty crossing 26,000 by around 315, but again that also couldn't be sustained, and the bears pulled it down below 26,000, and we had to close below 26,000. And I don't think this is a good sign at all. In the daily time frame, if you look, this is what Nifty is all about. There is a spinning top being formed, and all these things, see, all this noise, all these things coming up ahead of the RBI MPC meet, which is the minutes of that will be out to us from the RBI governor itself, hopefully on Friday morning 10 a.m. and the market is waiting for that. So ahead of that there is noise in the market, and all of this is noise. This is probably not perhaps the trend we could expect. The reason why I say I don't think there is going to be a huge negative trend, because it is also because of the option premiums. See, if we look at the option chain, I just had a look at the option chain to see how the call premiums as well as the put premiums are looking. Okay, so for, let's say, for the month end expiry, for 30th December expiry, look at this. The 26,000 call option, which is the at the money, okay, 26,000 at the money call option currently trading at 354, whereas the at the money put option is at 210. And look at that difference. That difference is almost of 50% difference. 150% of put option is the value of call option. That is probably the market participants expecting market to go up. That's why calls are in demand. Now even the 27,000 call option is currently at 35 rupees, and the 26,000, if I go to the 25,000, yeah, the 25,000 put option, you can see that is also at around 29 rupees. The other one is 35. So there is some sort of premium. So let's say if you want to go short the 29, an iron condor between 25,000 and 27,000, even that will yield you some amount of profits, not though much, but decent amount of profits. Even if you are taking a 4% buffer on either side, that is a significant buffer for a month for Nifty. So that's what we are in for. And if let's go have a look at the FIDA data. I'm sure FIs would have sold today. I haven't checked it yet, but yes, FIs have sold for 3,000 crores. Bearish in futures, bearish in cash market. They have bought puts and bought calls as well, but bought puts in more number. DIs obviously have supported the market again. I don't know for how long can they keep supporting, because they have been buyers on every single trading day. Let's go take a look at the open interest. It would have definitely changed. See the 26,000 as well as 26,200. So 26,200 easy support, easy resistance, and on the bottom side we have 25,500, definitely yes, but 25,800 I expected 25,800 to have much more puts. Maybe if I look at the OI change today, 25,800, yes, puts have built but not in good amount. 25,900 there is some sort of put trading at 25,900 also. 26,500 obviously will act as the resistance, which is still much above the all-time high, at least 200 points above the all-time high. So see, we have not managed to close above the all-time high yet. The last year's all-time high, which is around 26,277, we have crossed it multiple times, but we haven't closed above that. That again, we need to have a close above the all-time high for markets to say, okay, now we are back in the bullish mode again. And I hope with the RBI, if at all the rate cut comes, that is very much possible. And is 27,000 possible? What do I prefer to have is probably an Indo-US trade deal, which could further fuel the market. The PCR is at 0.7, indicating weakness. As things stand, equating to the stock market to 26,123, I think we are expecting a very flat opening. Even SGX Nifty, you can see this movement, that is also moving all around the place. 100, 150, now back to 120, all these things happening. I'll go look at the global markets. Nasdaq is down, Dow Jones is slightly up, so nothing much in, but generally the S&P 500 VIX is at 16. It has at least cooled down to 16.6, that is fine. The European markets are slightly in the positive, but Asian markets are slightly trading in the negative, it has to be said. So Asian markets are down, US is flat, Europe is slightly up, so nothing much to take away from what is happening across the globe. I was also having a look at the cryptocurrencies because Bitcoin had hit a low of 81,000 USD, now back to 92,000 USD. So Bitcoin is also slightly recovering. I don't know for how long Bitcoin will keep falling. Probably some more if at all. See, I wanted to enter Bitcoin at around 85,000, but I couldn't do because of multiple reasons. Anyway, so the levels to watch out for tomorrow, definitely if we can sustain about 26,000, that is good. Below 25,900, see, I don't know, I still get a feeling that even the AI bubble is not over us, in the sense, I don't think that fear is completely gone yet. Yes, the Nvidia results have come out positive, all those things are looking good, but I still fear. There is still a fear. So I haven't invested all of my capital yet. There is still some funds left to be invested. So I'll watch out for that. So till we meet again tomorrow in the live trading session, hopefully I say, take care, Jai Hind, and goodbye.